안녕하세요. Hello guys. In this video, I will introduce Korean consonants. First, if I put those Korean consonants in alphabetical order, this is 기역, 쌍기역, 미음, 디귿. If I put them on a table, you can see the names of the Korean consonants here. Okay. The names of the Korean consonants and how to romanize its Korean consonants and the sound of each consonant. If you see more than one sound values for one consonant, like 기역, that means according to 기역's location, sometimes it sounds like 크, sometimes it sounds like 그. Also, I want to tell you first, before I presenting the sound of Korean consonants, that there can be exactly matching sounds between English and Korean. However, for the sounds, we are using a an English sound closest to each Korean consonant sound. Okay, then I will introduce Korean consonant sounds, not this table, but using a different table that I made or I categorized uh, by their sound values, like this. Okay, the groups are the first group is plain consonant or basic consonant. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. First, plain consonant to, 드, 드, 브, 스, 즈. Next category is aspirated consonant. You can see aspirated consonants, the group. Each consonant has one more stroke to each plain consonant. By adding one stroke to the consonant, you can get an aspirated consonant, right? And the sound, as the name says, air is involved in the production of these consonants. Listen to me carefully. 그, 트, 프, 치, 그. If you pronounce this plain consonant and aspirate consonant with your hand, put your hand in front of your mouth and say the plain consonant and aspirate consonant. 그, 그. Then you will feel more air on your palm when you say the consonant 그, aspirate consonant rather than plain consonant 그. Next consonant is tensed consonants. If you look at the consonants, you will see that just by doubling plain consonants, you can get the tensed consonants. And as the name says, when you say these consonants, you have to add more strength. For example, listen to me carefully. 그, 뜨, 뿌, 스, 쯔. Next group is nasal consonants. Listen to me carefully. 느, 무, 응. As the name of the consonant says, nose is involved in the production of these sounds. For example, why don't you try holding your nose? Try to say this plain consonant and say this nasal consonant. 그, 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 느, 느. You may have had more difficulties when you pronounced this nasal sound rather than his plain consonant, right? The next one is l, l. Sometimes it sounds like English R sound, sometimes it sounds like English L sound. Okay, how to write Korean or Korean consonants? We usually write from from top to bottom, from left to right. If I show an example, first, this is ni은, one new sound from top to bottom and from left to right. If I show another example, this is here or two sound how left to right, top to bottom, left to right, and left to right. Here, okay? I will show you more images of Korean consonants to show how to write Korean consonants in the next slide. I will throw away the drawings. Okay, next. Here, there are images of Korean consonants, so please try to write and memorize the Korean consonants. In the next video, I will talk a little bit more about the Korean consonant sounds. Okay, thank you.